Hello and nice to meet you. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can protect your Framer forms from spam with Cloudflare Turnstile. So let's go. In the first step you need to create a Cloudflare account. It's for free and yeah, this is very important. And then we can start. You just go to the account home and here in the sidebar we have application security, and then we can go to Turnstile, we go to add widget, and here we can call it Framer Captcha, for example. And then we add a host name. Here we need to enter the domain, for example, framercaptcha.com, and then we add it. So this is right. You have to look for the right spelling, and then we go to add. Here you can just keep it unmanaged, and you have the possibility to add up to 10 available host names. So if you have more domains, you can add them there. And then we go to create. So, and here we get the side key and also the secret key. The secret key you should not share with someone else, and also the side key should not be shared with someone else. So you will not see this in the video, but you get this when you add the widget. So now we go to Framer. We have here a form, and I have this component. It's just a simple checkbox, and I just paste in here the side key. I set the block submit property, and now I can publish this. So for you, it's very important to know that this captcha is only working in the published mode and not in the canvas mode. So we are going to update the site, then we open the site and we just try it out. So hello at Framer Captcha, Chris, and you can see I can't submit the form, and now I have verified it. It takes a while, some seconds, and now I can submit the form. So this is how you can secure your form with Cloudflare Turnstile. And yeah, hopefully I could help you with this. And if it is like this, it would be really nice if you like this video. And if you want to have more content to the topic of Framer, please subscribe to my channel. Also in the description, you will find the link to the component. And I wish you a beautiful day, and we see each other in the next video. Have a nice day.